Hello, my dear friends. Today, I am before you just to make you acquainted about the whole things in the first chapter, class 12 plus 2 HSC Higher Secondary Board. In the first chapter of chemistry, solid state now, we encounter different shapes itself. So these shapes you must keep in mind, and what are all the core essence uh, key points you should learn. That are all I will just say in a very easy manner. The thing is, there are 7 primitive unit cells in the crystal world. These are the 7 things. First is the cubic thing. Each and every thing now, if it is asked in the exam to draw or something, a basic question which is asked in the which is the crystal unit cell among the 7 primitive unit cells, which has a matchbox structure. This is the thing, orthorhombic, because they A, B, C, orthorhombic. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. The sides are not equal, but angles are 90 degrees. It just resembles the matchbox. No, that is to be remembered. Orthorhombic is matchbox shaped, structured. Here, no, every angle is the angle between A and B, and A and C is 90 degree. This is also B and C is also 90 degree, and B and A is also 90 degree. Okay, so alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. That's the thing. First you must learn. And the cubic, basically the cubic structure, no, sides are equal and the angles are 90 degree. Simple, no. So matchbox and that simple cube. Then after that cube comes tetragonal. Tetragonal means no, let A and B be same, A be same, but just increase the height. Okay, and that's it. But all the angles are 90 degree. That's it. And this orthorhombic, I have said A, B, C different, but angles are 90 degree. Then hexagonal structure. This is the hexagonal structure, which consists of now a hexagon is drawn, extended like this, and within that hexagon now, this tetragonal type cuboids are there. Okay, so here in hexagonal, you must not A is equal to B. Okay, A is equal to B, but not equal to C. Okay, like that. A is equal to B, but not equal to C, but angle alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree and hexagonal shape. Okay, and the gamma is equal to 120 degree. Understand this now. This is a angle in a hexagon now, so 120 degree. Okay, that is the point. I will say all these which are included in these 7 primitive unit cells. No, I will say later, but just understand these are the things: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic. CTOH. Okay, CTO. Okay, CTO, and then the rhombohedral trigonal comes. Rhombohedral is having this. Look at this. Every rhombus, no, every sides are equal, no. So rhombus, every sides are equal. That means A, B, C is equal, and every angle now is not equal to 90 degree. Not a single angle is 90 degree. Okay, that is rhombohedral or trigonal. And then comes monoclinic. Monoclinic is this. Here A, B, C are not equal. Like what? Our orthorhombic, like that. But alpha and gamma, two angles are 90 degree and one angle is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, here this angle is not equal to 90 degree. Just mention that. And triclinic is not even every side is equal, and also angles are also not equal to 90 degree. This is the thing, triclinic. So the most thing which needs a clinic is triclinic, and which needs somewhat better treatment is the beta not equal to 90 monoclinic. Okay, so remember the order: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic. You can remember monoclinic and triclinic is the last. No, hexagonal, then rhombohedral. Okay, rhombohedral, then cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, then hexagonal, rhombohedral. First is orthorhombic, then hexagonal, then rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic. Try to remember all this. And then comes the intricate part. Try to remember all these things which will come in the cubic, tetragonal, everything now. So in the cubic type of unit cells, crystals, aluminum, zinc sulfide, or it is called zinc blend, copper, silver, gold, and sodium chloride is included in the cubic structure. Okay, and in the tetragonal, white tin, the tin oxide, titanium dioxide, calcium sulfate is included. In the orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate, barium sulfate is included. And hexagonal, it is graphite. No, earlier no graphite structure is hexagonal. So, and graphite, magnesium, beryllium, zinc oxide, and cadmium sulfide is included. And rhombohedral calcium carbonate, which is said calcite in the text, and cinnabar, HGS, mercury sulfide. Cinnabar and calcite is included in the rhombohedral, and then comes the monoclinic sulfur in the monoclinic sulfur, the monoclinic, and sodium sulfate 10H2O, 10 hydrate, and triclinic K2CrTO7, that is potassium dichromate, and copper sulfate at 5H2O, and H3BO3 boric acid. That is enough here. Just try to remember all this. Then comes a close packing spheres in one dimension. These are the spheres. It is arranged in one dimension. Then comes the square close packing, which is in 2D. But look, the pattern is A type of the spheres. No, one sphere is this A, and again that, again that. Within that, now square shape comes. So square close packing. Then comes the cubic close packing when it is taken the 3D level. I will say after this. The hexagonal close packing contains a sphere of A kind and a sphere of B kind, but arranged like this. Okay, arranged in the gap. It is in the square close packing. It is placed over the other. No, but in this case it is in the gap of that, so a triangle is formed. And when we arrange again and again in the form AB, no, this is one kind, this is another kind, then a hexagonal shape is formed by these things. So hexagonal cross packing, this is having hexagonal cross packing of spheres in 2D picture. It is having the maximum efficiency of close packing. Okay, cubic close packing comes when this, like this ABC section will come. ABC is the type of sphere will come, and it will be in the pattern order arrangement of ABC pattern. That is just the order. Just look at the book, and this another type of figure is shown inside the text. And this is the tetrahedron shape. How is it formed? Earlier in the first lecture episode, I had shown that, and the three are arranged like this, and top a point is connected to all these things. That is tetrahedron. The example is zinc sulfide. It is having a radius ratio. Radius ratio, what is that? The radius of cation by radius of anion. That is the radius ratio is 0.225 to 0.414. What is this radius ratio used for? This is tetrahedron and this is octahedron. No, so by that radius ratio, we can predict the coordination number and this shapes of the crystals. Okay, so exemplifying this by this is octahedral shape. This is tetrahedron. Then 4 sides are there. This is octahedron having 8 sides. Okay, it is formed by 3. It is placed like a triangle upwards, pointing upwards, and this is 3, which is arranged in a way pointing downwards like that, and connecting these two will make 8 sides. So it is called octahedron. This is a tetrahedron, and this octahedron is the shape of sodium chloride, and it is having a coordination number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is having coordination number 4. And radius ratio of NaCl is 0.414, 0.732. So by this radius ratio, we can predict coordination number and shape of crystal. Here, there is other thing, maximum packing efficiency, which I have said earlier. So the packing efficiency order which you have to by heart. That means if near to 50% mark like that, simple cubic packing has a packing efficiency of 52.4%. Body-centered cubic packing has a packing efficiency of nearly higher first class. That means 68%. And face-centered cubic close packing has a near distinction, just near distinction, that is 75%. So just remember the percentages: 52.4, 68%, and 75%. That's all the order of a simple and body and face-centered cubic packing structures. Packing efficiency means now the percentage of total space filled by these particles. That means the space 52.4% space is filled, 68% space is filled, 75% space is filled. And this tetrahedron, you can have a top view like this. Octahedron, we can have a top view like this. This now, this is the bottom part. These three is the light lines. And this shady balls now, that's the top. This for this for this, and this for this. And earlier in the second episode class now, which I have said a closest distance. This is that picture which I will make you understand. A ball is in the backside left corner of that face, back face of that cube, left corner down. And the other thing is placed in that sphere is placed in the front face, right side top. Okay, in between there is a sphere, body-centered sphere. So the distance is 1r plus this r plus this r plus this r. That is 4r. That means here the whole distance no will come root 3, and that divided by 4 no into that edge length is the closest distance. That is the explanation of the second class which I have told you now. But that class itself I have said very clearly, but just to make you understand by drawing a diagram. Like this, a ball is placed in the back face of that cube to the left bottom, and again a body is in between, and then a body is in the front face top right bar, and that whole radius is added 4 times, and that can be simplified like this. This is the closest distance between these particles. Okay, in the body-centered cubic structure. That's a question I am reiterating. Okay, bye guys. Next time, the packing, the imperfections. No, I will come back with a episode of imperfections of crystal solid structures. So please support me, like, share, and subscribe my channel. This is not that for gossip or discussion of your friends, just to make understand what are all the things you must be acquainted about. I'll be back. Okay, be happy, be cool. Okay, bye.